example, we start with click on File, New Project. We must define the dimensions of the model at first. So, uh, for defining dimension, because the width of the foundation is 20 meters, we must model 3 times of the width in each side of the foundation, and for the length, 3 times of the length in each side of the foundation. So it means 120 meter on each side of 40-meter length, and 60 meter on each side of 20-meter width. So uh, we must assign 140 minus 140 to 140 meter, and in y direction minus 70 to 70 meter. Okay, and the depth is equal to the length of a pile, that is 60 meter, plus 2 times of length of foundation. It means that it will be about 100 meter. So in this step, we must create borehole to define different layers. So we click on the page, and uh, we change x and y to 0 and 0, and we add click on add for defining the first layer. The top is 0, the bottom is minus 10, and click on add to define the second layer from minus 10 to minus 100. And of course, this water table is in the bottom of the model, so the head is equal to minus 100. So we can uh, have the dimensions of the model, uh, and this is uh, part of modeling. After that, we must define the properties of the different part of the model. For example, we must define the properties of two layer of soil. So we go to properties, soil and interfaces. We define a new. The name is layer one. Layer one. The soil model, as I told, is hardened soil. The rain condition, because there is no water, comma set is 15. Onset, comma set and comma onset are the same. Mechanical E50 is 8,000 kilopascal. There is no need to change anything else. And power, we change power to 4.8. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 18. And there is no need to change anything else, and we go to interfaces and change rigid to manual, and change 1 to 0.8, and this is the first layer. We go to another layer, we click on new, change the name to layer 2, change the model to hardening soil, strength, comma to 20, Thermostat is 20 again. Mechanical is for 40,000. There's no to change anything else. Power is 445. C is equal to 10. Phi is equal to 37. And psi is equal to 7. Then we go to interfaces, change rigid to manual, uh, change it to 9, 0.9. Okay. In this part, we go to define file, define the material of file, because we are going to define the material, the file with the volumetric elements. We have to define the properties of material and soil and interfaces. So we click on new, change the name to file. Of course, the model must be linear elastic. The range must be changed to non-cross, comma is equal to 24. Mechanical E is equal to 2E7. You must be 4.15. And these are properties of pi. After that, we must define the property of mat foundation and the walls around the foundation. So we have to define, in this part, we have to define foundation and the walls around foundation with plate. So we go to plate, click on new, and define foundation. Of course, the model must be elastic, comma is equal to 16.5. Mechanical E is equal to 2 is 7. Nu is equal to 0.15, and D is thickness is equal to 0.7. And this is the definition of foundation. And after that, we must define the properties of wall. So we click on new and change the name to wall. Elastic model, comma is equal to 16.05. Mechanical, E is equal to 2E7. Nu is equal to 0.15. D is equal to 0.3. And this is definition of wall properties. So in this section, we computed the properties of material in this example.